Karat Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organisation Rlssco haka arpunre tarik Risaw kala Pynkup Burom Bah Sanbor ngut ki Samla pule ki balawan shakhmat haki eksamin bapher ke samoi pule badang shen. Yakni ke jingialang Pynkup Burom na pelong Soso Tham Auditorium Shillong haka bala donlang Chief Secretary Jylla ba Donald P Wahlang ryngkat President ke Rlssco Bah Sanbor Shullai MLA ke 19 South Shillong. Napdeng kini ki Bah Sanbor ngut ki bala shah Pynkup Burom ki don ru ki samla pule ki bawan ki Longiing Baduk bat ki badon jingthut ha ki khotmet. Napdeng kini ki samla pule nyu pusaw ngut ki dei ki bala pas bha ha ki eksamin ki bala yo de ki laptop kum galat jingerap ha ki jing pule jongki. Habakren ki la pathai Khubor Bah Sanbor Shullai ulong ka jingthmu jagani ka jing Pynkup Burom kalong ban aimen sem bat penchlur bagi samla pule bakin beteng bat minot ban treshitam ha jing pule ban poisha ka thong bagi angnot ha jing em jongki. Ki samla ki balawan shakhmat ha jing pule ki long ki bala pas bha ha ki examen SSLC HSSLC CBSE ICSE degree but postgraduate degree.
21st running year for organizing this literary award for the meritorious students 2024. 21 consecutive year that as a president of the Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organization. And we are very happy today. We are having altogether 256 awardees from various schools falling within my constituency, 19 South Shillong constituency. And we are having 26 category, and we are also, besides the first division, we are also giving to the second and third division. In any division, we are giving to the categories of BPL, poor BPL students, poor BPL drops out students, then this physically handicapped, friendly able students. So we have included in this award, and within this 26 category, we are giving toppers laptop to 74 toppers will be awarded with a laptop computer to the toppers, and besides the awards, and we are very happy today that. All the students are also very happy, and the message of the organization today, as we have seen, that we are also sending a message that how to cooperate, to join hands together to eradicate the drugs menace, the drugs trafficking. So we have appealed to the parents, to the students, to all the institutions that they should conduct awareness. Like as the word says, charity begins at home. We have requested the parents also to conduct this kind of family awareness program. Then it will spread to locality awareness programs through the Dorbar Shillong, the religious committee, the various religious committee, then the party, the community participation. So this way we appeal to them that everybody should take a responsibility, a collective responsibility, then as to enable the government and the other state nations to eradicate the drugs menace, the drugs trafficking and the drugs headaches.
So how serious?
Just to encourage the students, like I have said, especially the poor students, the poor dropout students, disabled students, we encourage them. So this is a sign of encouragement, and also we appeal to all the students, including their parents, that to refrain themselves from these anti-social activities, and they should concentrate. Though they hail from especially the poor students, though they hail from the poor family, they should not lose hope that they should strive forward. And I used to send a message to them also that, see, for example, if you remember Lead Rajendra Prasadji, he hailed from a very poor family from the urban poor family from the rural area. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, he worked hard through his dedication. With the blessing of God, he have occupied the highest post as the president of India. The same thing like late Abdul Kalam ji. He's also hailed from the poor family. He have to distribute newspaper each and every shop, each and every house, and go to school. Then in the evening, his father will go and collect the money, supporting his educational expenses. So this way they work hard, dedication, and God bless him, and he has become a scientist, occupied the highest post as a president of India. And coming to our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also. After coming from school, he hailed from the poor family, so he used to go, after coming from school in the evening, he's helping, assisting his father in selling tea adjacent to the railway track. So this is an example to our poor students. And now Narendra Modi ji, he have occupied such a highest post in the country as a Prime Minister. So this is the message of encouragement to all the students, especially those who hail from the poor family.
So lastly, you end up spending how